Welcome to Financial and Investment Wisdom. What if there was a way to consistently make $10 without any effort, money, or experience? Actually, a lot of people from all around the world are currently earning $100, $400, or even more per day using this hidden technique. They are just average folks like you and me, but they seized the opportunity to profit from this recent development. You are fortunate to be one of the select few who will discover this well-kept secret, enabling you to always be one step ahead of the competition, because you clicked on this video and are currently watching it. Stay on and watch until the finish as I'll walk you through everything step by step, including how to sign up for a free demo, provide an example, and more importantly, provide some extra techniques to earn twice as much money faster. The video should now begin. First, I urge you to visit Pixelscom, where you can browse through a variety of images that you can download without charge. This is our opportunity to make money online using all of these black and white pictures right here. So right now I want you to go ahead and go to this website, which is colorizing. Now I want you to go ahead and search for this keyword, which is black and white photos. So right now I want you to look at all of these photos right here which are in black and white only. Right, there are no colors in these photos. To access this website, I'll click the link on the screen directly here. You may colorize your black and white images on this website. For instance, if your black and white images are similar to those in this part on the left, you may use this free website to convert them into colored photos, which can help you earn money online. So, if you scroll down below this page, you can see here where you can submit a black and white photo and edit it to make it into a color picture like this, which you can then sell for $10 to $20 by doing nothing more than that for free. So let me give you a small example of how to do this as well as a few places where you may start making money by selling these services to others. So, you'll see that I'm not a robot if you scroll down below. You currently need to click on this button to select a photo, specifically one in black and white, so I'll go ahead and do that so I may upload a photo to this website. Keep in mind that you may perform this on your smartphone as well. I'll now pick one of these images, let's say this one, and just click on it to start uploading it to this Colorize website in black and white. The original image was black and white, as you can see here. Now, with this free website, it's very powerful where you can edit to these photographs, as you can see here when I click on this bar right here and slowly start from the right to the left, and you'll slowly see that these photographs are adding colors with just a single click of a button and by merely uploading photographs. On this website, you can perform this identical action for free without prior experience. The findings should then be downloaded by simply clicking on this red button here. Now, as you can see, I start downloading this picture on my computer. You could also do this on your phone, it makes no difference. Quickly, I click on this picture to show you the finished product. I was able to successfully convert a black and white picture into a color picture that I could download for nothing on this website. This is an excellent opportunity for you because I don't even need to create an account. If you want to color the second image, all you have to do is click on this button right here to create a new color palette. I'll give you another example right now. Then you'll come back to this website and follow the same steps, right? I'm not a robot, so just click on this button right here to select a photo. In this case, I might have selected a dark picture, so I click on this one right here, and once more, I'll upload the picture to this website. It only takes a few seconds, and you can quickly turn a black and white image into a colorful one by using this slide bar right here. All you need to do is click a few buttons, and then you can download this image from this page. Again, be sure to stay watching this video because I'll show you how to use this service and this website to your advantage to make money online. I'll demonstrate a website where you can use those services to generate income. Currently, the first one is Fiverr.com. When you arrive at this homepage, you may enter the keyword, colored images, and then click the search button immediately below. If you're just getting started, all you have to charge is $10 and you can sell a lot of them and make a lot of money. For example, this service right here on Fiverr. People are selling $10, $20, $30, and even $40 by simply doing that. The opportunity I want to share with you can help you earn money online even though it seems like there are a lot of photos right now. You can remove or colorize the images automatically in just a few seconds without any prior experience. Therefore, all you have to do to create a free account on Fiverr, click this button right here and sign up with your email. Then, input your name, email, and password to create a free account. That's it for today. Check and watch other videos if you enjoy this kind of material. Please click the like button, be sure to follow the channel, and press the notification bell. See you in the next video.